Hello, welcome to Spiritual Family Network. I'm Paul Kemp, the administrator of the site. I would like to do a short video on how to use the SG Maps, the study group map on Spiritual Family Network, to make contact with different members of the Urantia family in Africa. And so right under the main banner, you will find this SG Maps. And if you're on a cell phone, it's likely this menu will be on the bottom of your page. It's called SG Map, abbreviation for Study Group Map. When you click that map, it opens up this page, which is the Revelation Study Groups and Teaching Resources. So there's all kinds of resources available on this page, including the present study groups. If you're a student, how to apply for a book. Other revelation resources and study material groups are on this bottom here, and projects and programs sponsored on Spiritual Family Network are listed here. But at the very bottom of this page is a map of Google Maps that shows where the different activities surrounding the Urantia Revelation are happening. These are all in the Democratic Republic of Congo. And when you click on these, it shows you where they are. And when you click the link here, it will take you directly to the actual group on Spiritual Family Net where this study group activity is happening. On each of these groups, you have group members, and when you click on the right corner, you can see who are members of this group. And you can make contact with them by sending them a message, but this can only happen if you're a member of the site, and membership is free. So just take out a membership and join the group. This will say join group if you're not a member. And so once you do that, you can access all of these different areas. So you can expand this map, and wherever you're traveling, if you want to make contact with Revelation people, you just click these circles here, and then you can find their maps on our network. And these are the groups with all their activities and members and activities of that particular study group. And these study groups are spread right across Uganda and into the borders of Kenya. And so all of the links and contact information are here. All you have to do is take out a membership to be able to contact all of these individuals and organize meetings or workshops or seminars or study groups or whatever activities you're engaged in. You can make contact with them. These study groups also contain all of the various activities that these groups have been promoting, seminars and other types of teaching events and activities that have been happening within that group. Okay, so to get to this, remember, you just go to our website, click SG Maps, and scroll down to the bottom of the page to access this directory on Google Drive of all of the various Urantia Book people. And so if you're traveling on a mission to help spread this revelation, this can be a very handy resource to find and locate all of the various groups around the country. Okay, so that's the video for today on using SG Maps. Thank you for your attention and Godspeed on the journey.